Alliance group in the European Parliament. We have 7 members representing small nations and regions, all fighting for autonomy or independence or more powers. And we visit those regions in turn to see the way, the things that are important to the different members of our group. And this week we're in Corsica. We are here in Bonifacio with Francois Alfonsi to see not only the incredible beauty of this town and this island, but also to learn a lot more about it, the things that are important to Corsica. We've heard about the tourism, about the marine environment, and this afternoon we'll be talking about the languages that we all work for on a European level to get equality for all of our people.